Now that we've introduced Linggle, we're going to talk about how to use this tool. In order to use the tool effectively, you'll need to learn some syntax commands to tell the tool what you're looking for. There are 8 major syntax commands that you can use when doing a Linggle search. First, you can type a keyword and part of speech, POS. You can also use the wildcard. An underscore and a / are 2 other useful commands. $, question mark, tilde sign, and curly brackets are 4 advanced syntax commands which will be introduced in video 11. In this video, we'll focus on the first command, keyword plus part of speech. Let's begin with the first command and see how you can search for a word with a keyword and part of speech. If you have a keyword in mind and want to find words that collocate with the keyword, you can simply type the keyword and the part of speech of the collocations you're looking for. Linggle will quickly find the possible collocations for you. For example, if you want to use the word knowledge in your writing and want to know the kinds of verbs that collocate with knowledge, simply type to, verb, knowledge, or verb, knowledge in a search box, and Linggle will display the verbs that are often used together with knowledge in patterns, such as to share knowledge, to gain knowledge, and to acquire knowledge. In Linggle, there are 84,000 instances of to share knowledge and 74,000 instances of to gain knowledge, and the results are displayed in order of decreasing frequency counts, so users will see the most commonly used patterns and collocations first, as shown on the screen. In English, there are 6 types of collocations: adjective plus noun, noun plus verb, noun plus noun, verb plus preposition, verb plus adverb, and adverb plus adjective. We will introduce the first 3 types in this video and the other 3 in the next video. First pattern is adjective plus noun. Common usages like brief chat and key issue belong to this category. For example, if you want to find an adjective to modify the word news to mean the news that just came out, you can just type the adjective news or adjective news. As you can see on the screen, the first combination, the latest news, shows that the word you need is latest because it has the highest frequency. The second pattern is verb plus noun. Phrases like make a mistake and launch a product are commonly used. A tip when using this pattern is to use to space verb instead of using verb alone. This will save you from having to browse through lots of unwanted patterns. If you want to say to collect capital for a company, input the pattern to, verb, capital, and the results will show that to raise capital is used the most frequently, and that is exactly what you are looking for. Now, let's introduce one more pattern before we end this episode. The third pattern is noun plus noun. This pattern usually occurs in quantifier patterns, such as a cup of tea and a crowd of visitors. Some usages from this pattern do not sound intuitive. If you want to convey the idea one rain, just type a noun of rain, and you'll see a shower of rain in 5th place, as shown on the screen. That's all for this episode.